Back out here. We have a bus coming. We have a bus sighting. There's a bus.
Somebody's calling. Next bus is at 11:30.
There's a bus. Oh no, that's just the city bus. Say again, sir.
They said that the next bus is going to be at 11:30.
All right. Now he's coming out to do his job. Unhappy customers.
They honking, they gonna run over people because you got to walk all the way around to go to the restaurant. And in the bathroom, you have to walk all the way around and then the damn bus is gonna run people over backing up.
There you have it. Disgruntled folks at the Gray House.
Is that our bus? That's not even
Another bus showing up.
Not even our bus.
Another bus showing up that's not even our bus. Again. We have one more bus showing up that's not even our bus.
These people just walk into a nightmare and they don't even know.
It's crazy.
It's fucking ridiculous. I can't do it.
Ma'am, did you get your medicine, ma'am?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Bringing it.
Look, take a look at this guy right here. Look. This guy is really long time.
I started in Sacramento.
From Sacramento, sir.
Sacramento. We met him in L.A.
So how long you been sitting here, sir?
I've been here since 5 in the morning.
Did you go through L.A.?
I went through LA, yeah. And we've been late since in LA. 30 minutes late and 1 hour from Albuquerque to here.
Yeah.
And no bus driver. Promises, yeah, we're getting a driver. Nothing has happened. There's people getting sick. No breakfast. Nothing.
No conversation with food or nothing, huh?
And I work for this company. Imagine that.
Oh.
Shame.
And you work for this company?
Shame that I work for First Group.
Wow. There you have it, once again. 3 years this man has worked for this company, and nothing has changed.